How to add photos in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add photos in YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's get started. Open the YT Create application, and now you have to type right here on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. After that, you can see at the very top videos and photos option. You just have to select for the photos, and after that you can see there is a list of the photos you have. Now you have to select one of the photo. Let me select this one. Now tap on import. After that you can see this photo is imported now. So this is how you can easily import photos in your YT Create application. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.